In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually enter bank and credit card transactions in Xero using the transfer option. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently record money moving between your bank accounts or credit cards inside Xero. This is especially useful when you have internal transfers that don't come through a bank feed right away, or if you need to tidy up your records and keep everything accurate and up to date. First, from your Xero dashboard, head to the home screen if you are not already there. On the home page, look for the bank account tile for the business bank account you want to work with. This is usually displayed as a card or box showing the account name and balance. Click into that business bank account to open the detailed view. Once you are in the bank account, look towards the top right of the screen for the icon with 3 dots. This menu often contains extra actions you can take on that bank account. Click on the 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select the option labeled Transfer. Choosing Transfer tells Xero that this is money moving between two of your own accounts, rather than income or an expense. This helps Xero treat the transaction correctly and prevents it from affecting your profit and loss in the wrong way. A new transfer screen will appear. Here, click on the From field and start typing the name of the bank or credit card account that the money is coming from. Xero will show a list of accounts that match what you type. Choose the correct account from that list. This makes sure the transfer is linked to the right source account in your chart of accounts. Next, move to the description field and type in a clear, simple description. For example, you might write transfer from savings to checking or credit card payment from business bank. A good description will help you or anyone else understand the purpose of the transfer when you review it later. Now, fill in the other details on the form. This usually includes the date of the transfer and the amount. Make sure the date matches your bank statement and double check the amount so that it is accurate down to the cent. If there are any other required fields on your screen, complete those as well, following the same careful approach. As you do this, follow the on-screen prompts that Xero provides. These prompts might highlight missing information or suggest the correct format for dates and amounts. Take a moment to review everything before you move on. When you are happy with all the details and everything looks correct, click on Save. Xero will now create the transfer transaction between your selected accounts, keeping your records aligned with your actual bank and credit card movements.